I am sorry. Let's say that in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu ta zi. I am gu. Sorry, ta zi. Thanks. Thank you. Let's say that in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Or chao. Water or water. Let's say this in white Hmong and green Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. White Hmong, day. Green Hmong, glay. Does she, he, it know? Let's say this in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Nư, bùa, bao. She, he, it knew. Does bùa know bao? Bao, chỉ bao. I know, I don't know. Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu bao, gu chỉ bao. I did not know. Let's say this in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu tư chỉ bao I gu. Did tư not chỉ know bao. Or I did know. Gu tư bao. Speak. Hi. Listen. Mlong. Read. Nhìn. Write. Shall. Speak. Hi. Listen. Mlong. Read. Nhìn. Write. Shall. Let's say these in white Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Children, mê nhua. Baby, mê a. Boy, tu. Girl, tsai. Man, zi name. Woman, bon mia. Let's say these animals in Hmong, the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Lion, chó, chua. Monkey, lia. Elephant, two. Zebra, name tsai. Giraffe, name ya da de. Tiger, chó or chó tsai. Lion, chó chua. Let's say these animals in the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Bear, dai. Eagle, da. Penguin, nong de du. Deer, ma lu. Camel, lu or u. Let's say these animals in the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Snake, na. Spider, ga lao sha. Fly, yong. Butterfly, bao bai. Ant, zhao. Let's say these numbers in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. 0, zai or sun. 1, e. 2, all. 3, bay. 4, blau. 5, chi. 6, dao. 7, xia. 8, yi. 9, yua. 10, gao. 11, gao e. 12, gao o. Let's say these words in Hmong, the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Bed, za. crib, tsa, desk, trong, or tu, dresser, tu, quilt, ba. Let's say these items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Toothbrush, tu chuat nia. Brush, jua. Sink, dan chuat te. Rug, dao shot tao. Let's say these items in Hmong, the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Broom, kao tua. Hammer, zhao. Rope, lua. Ladder, dai. Hose, zao ya de. Let's say these items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Umbrella, gao. Television, TV. Telephone, saw tong. Lamp, thing. Stroller, lu lao me a. Let's say these kitchen items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Dishes, tai dia. Plate, pa. Spoon, dia. Fork, dia da or dia chaw. Glass, caw. Knife, dia. Pan, lao gao. Let's say these house items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. House, jay. Chair, to. Sofa, salon. Table, zhong. Window, ko dai. Door, ko zhong. Stove, ko yu. Let's say these items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Pencil, yu mei kuo or sao. Pen, yu mei. Crayon, go or go kuo. Ladder, zhan dao. Scissors, xia. Clock, lu ding or lu mong. Let's say these food in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Ice cream, mi nyu ko. Cookie, yuakaji. Milk, mi. Egg, gay. Corn, ba gu. Carrot, zhao du hao bao da. Vegetables, zhao. Let's say these fruits in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Fruit, zi ma jin dong or zi for short. Orange, zi gan zi. Banana, zi zhao. Lemon, zi gao or manao. Tomato, zi lu shua. Apple, apple. I am hungry. I want to eat. Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu chai bla. I am gu hungry. Chai bla. Gu sa no. I gu want sa to eat no. I am thirsty. I want to drink. Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu ki de. Gu sa hao. Thirsty ki de or ki. To drink how. Let's say these fruits in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Fruit, xi ma xin dong, or xi for short. Orange, xi gan zi. Banana, xi zhao. Lemon, xi gao, or manao. Tomato, xi li shuo. Apple, apple. How do you say Let's say this in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Go hai li jia. How li jia. You go say hi. What did you say? Let's say this in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Go hai da chi. What da chi? You go say hi. Did. This is implied that you did, or you can add this word. Go tao hai da chi. I know what you said. Let's say this in Hmong, the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu bao go hai da chi. I gu know bao what da chi. You go said hi. Or to show past tense, we can add this word. Tao. Gu bao go tao hai da chi. Before, after. Let's say these words in the White Hmong dialect, Hmong is a tonal language. Wan bei, to ka. Me too, you too, them too, she, he, it too. Let's say these in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu tia, go tia, lao tia, nu tia, them, lao. Lao means 3 or more people. Okay? Bye-bye. Do you wear glasses? Go bo yo jo ya. Where yo in this context? Yes or no? Yo, chi yo. When did you start wearing glasses? Go bi yo jo ya tao tư lo lại. Glasses jo ya. This is my friend. Nó yo của tu phong yu. Friend, phong yu. Friend, phong yu. If you're a girl and your friend is a girl, you can use this word. Vin yao also means sisters. If you're a boy and your friend is a boy, you can use this word. Gu ti means brothers. Synonyms to gu ti are these 2 words. Gu bao, gu lo. Gu bao. Bao is more in the context of your cousin, your brother cousins. Please help me. Tho ba gu. Please tho help ba mi gu. I don't want you to go. Gu chi sa go. Go mu. Don't chi want sa. You go. Go mu. Have not laughed, scared to be alone, or scared to go alone. Have not dragged. We'll say these in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. They're all the same. Chi tao lo. Laugh lo. Chi tao lo. Scared to be alone. Chi tao lo. Lo also means drag. I want to stay. Gu sa nyo. Where is the car? Lu che nyo ko tu. I see the mountain. Gu bo lu dong. Where are you going? Go mu ko tu. Or you often hear people say this. Go mu dachi. Dachi means what? Ko tu means where. I have a stomach pain. Or I have a stomach ache. Or my stomach hurts. Gu mo bla. Pain, ache, hurts. Mo, stomach, bla. That is it for now. That's all. Or that is it. That is it. Lin dao si. Or lin no si. I will call you. Gu ma hu go. Call who. Please come join us. Tho tua gong bei. Are you going? Are you coming? Go bua mu. Go, going, mu. Go bua tua. Come, coming, tua. Thank you for coming. Or chào. Tua. This part depends on who you are talking to. You go. Or chào go tua. You two ne. Or chào ne tua. You all ne. Or chào ne tua. I don't drink alcohol. Gu chi hao de yao. Don't chi drink hao alcohol de yao. I delivered your package. Gu tư sa go bo kong lại. Package bo kong. Deliver sa. Delivered. Tư sa lại. Your package has arrived. Go bo kong. Tua cho lại. Arrived. Tua cho lại. Or cho lại. How much is this? Nó yo bê chăng. You can substitute nó with trao. Nó trao bê chăng. I am looking for a job. Gu ta tỏ thía y cho hao lự. Please give me a call back at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Thó hu gu trò ca đào tu xó tông y ao bê blau chi trao xa y chua sung. I am bilingual. กูเจ้า係我學路